Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just made a quick trip to Harbor Freight. I'm getting ready to take the dashboard out of the 2G DSM to put in a new wiring, chassis harness and engine harness. One thing I did need to grab is this steering wheel removal kit. Got this from Harbor Freight. It's the from their Pittsburgh Automotive line. I paid, well, it was originally $50. It was on sale for $34.99, and then I had an additional 20% off coupon, which can easily be found on Google right now. So, let's open this bad boy up real quick, see what we got inside. Looks like it has some little slide locks on the top. Slide those over, get that open, there we go. Alright, that's what we got inside. Looks like we have some quick little instructions here. It's got a safety sheet, tells us what comes in it. There's some cap screws, steering wheel bolts, snap ring bolts, and of course the carrying case. It's got some safety info. Shows you everything in the package. It's got an item number. Open it up. And probably gives you a little bit of instructions here. Yep. Tells you how to remove the steering wheel. Gives you an idea how to do it. There we go. And then on the back it just kind of tells you what's what. So, number one are the cap screws. They're 3.5 length, 3/8 wide, and there's a metric one on the steering wheel bolts, snap ring bolts, more snap ring bolts, some washers, carrying case, the forcing screw, the lock plate adjustment, and the nut. So let's see what we got in here. So everything seems pretty solid. Let's see how this little aluminum block goes. This is the part that you actually put the two bolts in with the washers, and it forces the steering wheel off. Put that back in here. All pieces, I can't bend that. That all feels pretty solid. There's a nut in the washer. Put it back in there somehow. Here are the bolts. So, pretty basic set. I mean, now I'm looking at it, this is something you could probably make yourself, but, by the time you go out and buy all the bolts and, fab up a bracket and stuff like that, you probably end up spending the, $27 I spent on it. So, I'll let you guys know how this works out, see if it does the job, and, I'll give a final thought video on it. If you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them in the section below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks.